love burritos, then you're in for a treat. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it can be to make the perfect burrito at home. So stay tuned. When I have a craving for Mexican food, burritos are my go-to. They're perfect because they're not only filling, but they're packed full of a variety of delicious flavors and textures as well. Now, making a delicious burrito at home is surprisingly simple. You just need to do a few little things well. So here's what you'll need. Okay, now we have everything ready to go. Now all we have to do is to cook off our steak, peppers, and onions. And then it's on to assembly. Now if you're not a fan of any of the ingredients, or you want to kick up your burrito with a few ingredients of your own, feel free to do so, because one of the fun parts of cooking is to take a recipe and improve on it to make it your own. So let's get to it. way to make a top-notch burrito from the comfort of your own home. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below and you'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time. Now, when I have a craving for burrito,